Hey guys, what's going on? Got a quick one for you today. I'm quickly changing out the springs in the Elgato Pedal. So as you guys know, I've done a few reviews on this, and honestly the default and how everything is already made is fine. However, I want a little additional stiffness because sometimes I just love to leave my foot resting on this, especially if I'm playing light gun games or doing other multimedia work. And so I know you can put the stoppers in here to just use this as a footrest, but what I want to do today is go ahead and stiffen it just a little bit, so that way when my foot is resting on it, it's not applying any type of pressure at all. So we're gonna go with the 2000 spring set. I can't remember what the default number is in here. You guys can check my previous video for that, but yeah, I'm gonna use this obviously all three, but this is just a quick video. Just wanted to figure I'd just go ahead and record it while I'm in the process of doing it. Let's see here. I'm gonna make sure to pull out these screws. I think I'll just go ahead and pull them all out. And you know, I highly recommend you guys getting this if you're planning on using this for light gun gaming or any other method. I mean, this thing is really simple. But I'm not sure if I mentioned it already. I did try to use this with the Raspberry Pi. It does recognize the actual device, but because the Elgato software doesn't work for Linux, it doesn't recognize. So there we go. All right, so we got this, and so we want to change out these two springs here in the middle. You know what, maybe I should put these on the end, make those a little stiffer. We'll see how those go. Let's see, they're all the same size roughly. Let me see if these, all right, so you can mix and match these. So these are a little softer. Then these are a little stiffer. So it's not too bad. And then these, I don't want to get any of these mixed up. So what I think I'll do is go ahead and put the 2000 springs here, obviously. I was just going to put these in the bag, but since these are a little stiffer, in fact, I'm not even sure what the defaulted rating is on these here. Maybe I'll just go ahead and put these in here, see how that works out. So if not, I'll change it. But again, everything works just as fine as it is. But yeah, I absolutely love this thing as a pedal. It's been a couple of months now. You're not going to find anything else out there on the market. I think there's some other pedals now that are coming out that have 3 buttons, and they work pretty well. And then of course I know there's some dedicated light gun pedals out there, but you got to be careful about those because not all of those have a dedicated remapper software, and some of the emulators won't work that way. They won't read it, and the problem with that situation is if you're trying to use a pedal for light gun gaming and it has like, let's say Techno Parrot or some of the other ones that are out there, if you're using a what is it, AHK system to reassign it, it won't read it. So you got to be mindful about that. But with this has a dedicated software, so you can remap it to whatever keyboard function or whatever you want using the Stream Deck software. So let's see here, quick and easy process. Let's go ahead. Just want to quickly get this done. That way you guys could see. You see the stiffness of the one in the middle. Let's make sure that's all done here. Excellent quality. Can't complain about this. You know, eventually what I'll do is see if you can use 2 of these for a light gun game. Oh my god, that's so much better. Oh my god, this is, I know you guys can't really see it, but this, if you have a heavy foot like me, this makes it much more sturdier. So again, the default is fine. Default is springs, but it adds to that additional quality there. I'm gonna love that. I mean, the other one with the defaulted springs, obviously these are the ones that I've used now here. We're here in the middle. It was fine, but now you really have to apply pressure in order to use it. But again, if you have a heavy foot like me, or extra weight, then this is probably going to be recommended for you. However, changing out those other stiff springs, because I know I have some other ones that are like 1400, but maybe I should have probably used those. They may have been a little stiffer, but this is fine now, so this will work really good. But all in all, hope you guys enjoy this. Just wanted to quickly change out the springs on here, let you guys know my personal thoughts. I know this device is still relatively new. There's many different ways you can advertise this and use it, but for those of you looking for a good light gun pedal or multimedia pedal, all-purpose use, completely comes with a remapper software. If you want to make this a numeric keypad, multimedia buttons, if you want to use it for any sort of gaming, if you want to use it as a gas pedal for gas or brake, look no further than this. This will work really well on PC. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick video, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out. Bye-bye.